All About Herbs. I'm Deli Dandelion on All About Herbs. That was not supposed to be funny! Now for our first guest, Delaney. What is your problem? My belly hurts. Well, try some of my herbal tea. There you go. That's fantastic. I feel so much better. Okay, for our second guest, we have Sarah. I see it. Oh my, how did that happen?
Oh yeah, when I woke up this morning, I had spots on my face.
Oh, well, try some of my rosemary lotion.
Wow, fantastic. Thanks, Dali.
And now, for our next guest, we have Christopher. What is your problem?
Well, last night when the full moon came, this is what happened.
Well, garlic keeps the werewolves away. Actually, it keeps everybody away. So, put some garlic on there. Okay. Now I'm all bitter. That concludes our program. We are out of time. See you tomorrow on All About Herbs.